Today, the Sunny Farm Express is heading to the magical Otter River, where exciting adventures are waiting around every corner.
They're rolling everywhere. That little one is so funny. They're making me laugh. I already love this place. Look at the beautiful river. The otters came to greet us. Everything is shining. Our adventure begins. The river is taking us somewhere special. Look at the butterflies. This ride is wonderful. Here comes the big splash. Hold on tight. That was exciting. Let's race to the bottom. There's a secret behind the waterfall. I can see lights inside. The cave is sparkling. Let's go investigate. Something shiny is over there. It's a golden shell. I've never seen one before. Maybe it's magical. The river looks tiny from up here. What an amazing view. I can see the waterfall. This bridge is huge. Every boat is different. Look at those colorful fruits. The market is floating. Wow, this place is so unique. The festival is starting. Listen to the music. Everyone is celebrating. Let's dance together. The lanterns look like stars. They're floating everywhere. The river is glowing. It's beautiful. Everyone smile. This has been amazing. I want to remember this forever. What a perfect day. Goodbye, otter friends. Thank you for the adventure. We'll miss you. See you again someday.